Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite hairstyles that I like to do when my silk press is getting old and I'm not really ready to wash it yet. So I like to play around with my hair before I wash it because I know that I'm not going to straighten it for a very long time again. So I like to play around just to have fun with it because my hair isn't going to be straight again for a while.